This challenge was a little trickier, but it really puts together everything that we've learned so far. Let's dive into it. For part 1 of the challenge, I actually broke it down into a couple of subprompts. Let's go ahead and paste the first prompt from the exercise files. Now let's scroll up and see what I did. My first subprompt was creating a smaller JSON dictionary, or JSON object, where the time is the key and the temperature is the value. I only wanted GPT-4 to output the JSON dictionary, because sometimes it wanted to write some code, and I did not want it to do that. So let's click Enter. And here we go. We're getting the outputs in the format we desired. GPT-4 actually didn't output all the data, but this should be enough for a second prompt. Let's go back and grab that from the exercise file. I'm going to scroll down and copy this part 1, prompt 2. Let's go ahead and paste it in. So now my goal is to grab the temperature for noon, Toronto time, which is Eastern time, for July 21st. So it should be right here. Let's click Enter. And all right, that looks correct. So we've successfully completed part 1 of this challenge. Let's move on to part 2. Let's head back to our exercise file. We're going to grab part 2, prompt 1. And let's paste it in. So in this prompt, I'm asking GPT-4 to write some JavaScript code. I specified front-end because sometimes it required some code dependencies that we don't have. And we asked it to generate an API. We specified that we had the same schema as the first schema provided. And we asked it to print all the temperatures. We also added that we don't need an API key. This means we can access this data without needing some credential. Let's hit Enter. And there we go. We got some code. Let's go ahead and try to run it. We'll hit Inspect, go to our console, paste, hit Enter. And there we go. We got our temperatures from this API call. How cool is that? Wow, that was quite a challenge. We were able to approach this idea of calling an API with relative ease. GPT-4 guided us through this process, and through some smart prompting, we got exactly what we wanted.